Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my classic horizontal happy planner that I use for journaling. And this week I will be using what I have left of the, what is it? I think it's the Hot Summer Nights collab between According to Ali and Marzipan Plans. I'm going to be using that. I'm going to try and bring in some washi that'll match with it. I don't know if that will match. I don't think it does. I think this is a rainbow washi, so I don't know if I'm going to use that. Maybe use some of this, or maybe some other grid. I will figure it out. Let's get started. Now I used these stickers in my Hemlock and Oak, and I absolutely loved them. There's not a lot of these left, so I have to find washi that will work with that. And I'm having difficulty because the colors in these are so vibrant and they stand alone very, very well. I don't have too much that would match with it, so I might just stick with what I've got. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then this one. Okay, how am I going to make this work? I think what's going to be key in this one is, I think I know what I'm going to do with it. So let's start just by placing this actually right here. And a little bit of washi. Now I don't know if I'm going to be able to do my clusters of 3 here, unless I can. And I know it's already going to be difficult if it's not a cluster of 3 for me. So I need to figure out what else I can put with that. I have an idea, but it's still kind of just in my brain what is happening. Okay. And this, I feel like I'm kind of going haphazard with these right now. And then this will go here. And then these, I feel like need to go across there. And across here. And then these are adorable. Okay, so I'm going to put one on this side. And then one on this side. Does that seem weird? It seems very sparse right now. And actually, I'm going to leave this one here. Okay. Very, very sparse, which is, don't like it being so sparse, but I'm trying to think what else I could possibly combine this with. I'm looking through the stickers that I've got from According to Ali. This is why I buy double the sheets, because I use them so quickly. Wonder if, I feel like it's too late to try and do it now, or use these note papers as accents, but they don't really match, so I don't want to do that. Let's see. Nope, nope. Okay, I've had a look through my stash and I found these scallop stickers from Hey Danny Co. These are from years ago, but I also found these washi, like that particular washi strip that might work. So let's see. This is going to be some major layering on my part. I'm going to put the washi under the s'mores because I don't want to cover up the s'mores because it's such great artwork. I was just saying to Ali this afternoon that her artwork is beyond goals. It's not even just goals, it's beyond goals. So I'm going to add a little bit of a purple scallop. I'm just going to rip them. don't know what it is, but I really like that. Okay. And the colors match, which to me is insane. Like that yellow. Oh, my goodness. I don't know how I managed to find that, but I am sometimes amazed myself. So cute. So cute. Now, what am I going to do up here? I feel like the lights are great on their own, but I also I want to add something to this corner. So I'm going to add just a little bit of the washi with a purple scallop. I don't know why that works, but it does. And then I will add, this is going to be a very simple journaling spread, but journaling spreads don't have to be a ton of work. They can just be whatever you feel like in the moment. So, yellow. Is it this yellow? Yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, no. Oh my goodness. And I'm going to add a little tiny washi here. Just in this corner. Maybe a bit of purple washi. Or not purple washi, purple scallop. I love these stickers, and that's one of the reasons why. There's certain things I just keep because I know they're going to come in handy in the future. It's a very simple journaling spread, and it doesn't seem like there's a lot on here, but I love it. Considering that it felt like a very bare spread to begin with because I had already used the stickers. What else can I add here? Do I want to just keep it to the 3, or do I want to add like little accents? I'm going to keep that as is because I feel like that should stay that way. I don't know. Ooh, hold on. Is there purple in those quotes? Possibly. Okay. Oh, and the yellow. I love the yellow. Okay. I'm going to choose this. Kindness changes everything. However, I kind of don't want to split that. Let's find a different quote here. I can't remember what sticker book this is from, unfortunately. I took my sticker books apart, so I apologize. I don't remember where this is from. Be present. And then find a purple one. This purple, I think, and then I'm going to just choose a very simple happy day. What do you guys think? It is very simple, but once it's actually filled in with any journaling in it, it's going to make a huge difference. Like, I'll show you. Previous spread. Look at how much better it looks once it's written in. Another spread. It just looks better once it's written in. So I don't have any problems with it being so simple. It just gives me more room to write. And it allowed me to use stickers that I hadn't used in years. What do you guys think? All right, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.